towboat is coming. Getting ready to go across that bridge.
Chris, I'm gonna get your line off the back here, okay?
Sounds good.
Chris, if you can grab this line, please, real quick. The black one.
Gotcha.
Thank you. You're in charge of the marina, Bill. All going.
Question, why is the Petersen on the bow?
They need a helping hand.
Chris, I'd love to have you join the ship. How long have you been sailing?
0 years.
Yeah, come join us.
Will do.
Monday nights.
Would love to. Absolutely. It's all pretty good. We're gonna go over, or under rather, that bridge over there. Which is kind of cool. We got the crew here. We got Jack from Harbor Marina. We got our captain right there from TowBoatUS. And yeah, it's pretty, the weather's been on our side for this past week really. It's been great. So looking forward to seeing, you know, the next steps. We might actually have to tow it in reverse. It's gonna be kind of cool. So stay tuned. Yep, they're stopping traffic right now.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
It's coming up.
Oh my gosh.
I got you.
The bridge is lifting. We can actually take it to where we need. That's awesome. Granted, only one side is working on the bridge, so the other side's not going to be able to be lifted up. But hopefully, we're going to have enough clearance. Yeah, it's still rising. Very cool. Super excited. Hopefully we can get this in there. We should have plenty of clearance. You can see over there where the railing is on the bridge. The mast goes just a little bit above the railing. So we should be fine with that clearance that it's giving us. Nice, nice, nice. Traffic to stop. Let's see. They did say that they were going to give us a signal. They didn't say what type. Oh yeah.
I need you guys to my eyes. Steady.
Cool. So the mast goes just a little bit above the railing. That should be accurate. There we go.
I'm here, so yeah. Are you still playing the back there? Yeah, I think so.
All right, so we're not gonna back her in then. We're just gonna go straight.
You're looking great.
All right.
You're looking good.
Yes, sir.
Looking good.
This is amazing.
I think you could afford to take it a little support, but you're good.
Clear, clear.
You're good. We clear?
Yeah, we're 100% clear. Clear.
Clear. Little bit to starboard. Little bit to starboard. Straight through, straight through.
Perfect.
You're golden. Little bit. You're through. You're through.
You're through. Woo! Woo! Thank you. You too. Thank you so much. Appreciate all your hard work. We are through. Woo! That was very impressive, Cap. We're going over there to that marina. There's gonna be people waiting for us. They didn't give me a number, but they showed me where it is. Wow, I can't believe it. I am so happy. So happy. We're through. We are actually through.
What's your depth like here? Out of curiosity?
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.